Behind me is the majestic Brahmaputra river, and a riverfront has been developed with state-of-art infrastructure. On my left, you can see the riverfront, which is a stretch of 1.2 kilometers. This is developed in the heart of Guwahati. This development comes more than 2 years, when in 2022 this project began, and this is now going to be a wonderful riverfront for people to come and enjoy this scenic view. Sunset is happening currently in Brahmaputra. This is the Saraighat flyover, which is a famous flyover overbridge one uses to enter the city. On my right is the Umananda Mandir. This is an island considered to be one of the smallest riverine islands in the world, and behind me is the 1.2 kilometer stretch of this beautiful riverfront development. This riverfront will enhance the beauty of the city. It also will be an experience for the public who are here to experience Mother Nature, and also this will extend Guwahati into the smart city mission that the city has planned, and it has been constructed with more than 300 crore rupees worth of cost. Along with that, 2 years of engineering and state-of-the-art infrastructure has been done, and very important is how the beautification has been done, keeping in mind with the young people who are expected to come here. Very interesting are the 7 gates which has been constructed. These 7 gates represent the Assamese culture. The riverfront begins with the Ronghor recreation which has been done on the gate number 1, and all the gates have its own personality, its own culture. So indeed a wonderful initiative. Another initiative that is here is the bicycle track. The bicycle track will offer the cycle enthusiasts to come here and ride by the Brahmaputra river. The wind here is really chilling, very refreshing. Brahmaputra, one of the largest rivers. On my right you can see it extends as far as, this river flows and flows, and until it reaches the Bay of Bengal, the Sundarbans Delta and whatnot. This is the wonderful and scenic Brahmaputra river, and the speciality that we are going to show you is when the sunset happens and the lights are out, the view is just unparalleled. That is a view that we are going to show you. But what is more important here to find out and to understand is the transformation of Guwahati. There was a time in Guwahati when the situation was not adequate. There were bomb blasts, there were insurgency related problem, but the city has changed, and now the city is heading for a transformation wherein it is boosting infrastructure without compromising the natural beauty. And the sunset here is a prime example of the smart city mission. You can see the sunset and the ropeway. A ropeway car is heading towards from the other side of the river. This is the urbanization which we are talking about. The ropeway signifies the urbanization under that sunset. The new flyover over the Brahmaputra river also signifies the urban development, and where we are standing right now, the riverfront, is also a testimony of that particular urban development that we have been talking about.
ये रिवर फ्रंट हम लोगों ने जैसे साबरमती रिवर फ्रंट बनाया था, ऐसे गुवाहाटी रिवर फ्रंट बनाया था. मोर देन 300 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट करके हम लोगों ने ये स्मार्ट सिटी का अंदर में बनाया था. बहुत अच्छा रिवर फ्रंट बना है. अराउंड 1.2 किलोमीटर लेंथ रिवर फ्रंट है. वहाँ बहुत सारे ऐसा व्यवस्था है जो असम का कल्चर हिस्ट्री को रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे. वहाँ 7 गेट्स है. उसके अलावा बहुत सारे म्यूजिकल पार्क है, अलग अलग ऐसे बहुत सारे अट्रैक्शन है जहाँ से हम लोग टूरिस्ट को बहुत अट्रैक्ट कर सके. और गुवाहाटी का जो ब्रह्मपुत्र का रिवर फ्रंट है ये खुद ही एक अट्रैक्शन है, क्योंकि ब्रह्मपुत्र जैसा एक नदी जो इतना विशाल नदी है उसका पार में हम लोग ये रिवर फ्रंट डेवलप कर रहा हूँ. और हमारा कोशिश ये रहेंगे कि टूरिस्ट का सबसे बड़ा अट्रैक्शन है और सुबह शाम यहाँ का जो लोकल लोग हैं आराम से रिवर का जो व्यू है वो देखे, आराम से घूमे। और 7 तारीख से ये होने करने के बाद मैं आशा रखता हूँ कि ये बहुत अच्छा डेस्टिनेशन बनेंगे। वहाँ 7 गेट जो है असम का कल्चर को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हुए गेट बनाया गया है। हमारा बहुत सारे जैसे म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हो, हमारा रंगघर हो, या तो अलग अलग जो ऐसा असम का आइडेंटिटी हो, सब वहाँ रहेंगे। पार्किंग का भी एक अच्छा ये है, एम्यूनिटी सेंटर भी है, सब व्यवस्था है। तो मैं आशा रखता हूँ ये रिवर फ्रंट गुवाहाटी का एक बहुत अच्छा टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन बने।
An aspect of the riverfront development is the facilities that it offers. One is that of a playground area, second is of the health park where gym facilities are being also offered. People are here coming in doing exercises. It is a holistic park, and the best part of this experience is the sunset. On the right you can see how the sky has totally turned orange. This is a wonderful sunset that one can come and enjoy here. But what is the bottom line here? The bottom line here is how Guwahati is transforming. At a time when Guwahati saw a lot of hindrances back in the 90s and the 2000s when we were growing up, there were insurgency, bomb blasts and whatnot. And now Guwahati is shaping to be a city that can compare to other metropolitan city. That has been the approach, and without infrastructure development that is not possible. So what this riverfront shows you is an attempt by Guwahati to dream, and that dream is not just Guwahati's dream, it is the dream for anyone who aspires to be someone, who aspires to be a citizen who has opportunities, who believes in the city, and that is what this infrastructure park offers you. With video journalist Nishant, this is Nibir reporting for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.